Hey, so this is another free sample I got in the mail today. It's a little recipe book. This one is Easy Vegan Recipes. Actually looked like they had pretty good recipes in them, even though, you know, vegan and stuff. I used to be it, but looked like pretty good recipes. They have some chocolate chip cookies and stuff in here. I'm not exactly sure where I got this. I'll have to look. But I do know that there's a section in here that shows you how to get another book for free. That's the Vegetarian Startup Guide you can get for free, and I will put that link below. I will also see if I can find where I got this book at, and if I can find that, I'll put that link below as well. So I hope you guys enjoy and get it. I don't think they're going out anytime soon. It's just little free things. It also comes with some information about... This one's information about Subway, and this one's just information about the other stuff. And it got here pretty fast. I swear I think I did this like 2 days ago or something like that, and I already got it. So, hopefully you guys will get that and enjoy. It looked like it has some pretty yummy recipes in it, so bye!